Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over a feature I don't see used very often, but it is a rush feature. And it's probably just because a lot of people don't know it's there. But I'm going to go to table 10 and use a scenario that, one of these ribeyes was no good and they need to rush one out. I don't know. I don't know what other scenarios there might be, but you need to order something to put a rush on it. This is what you do. We'll just go to entrees, ribeye, bring one up here real quick. And then when you go to course, right next to hold is rush. If you select rush, it puts an R over here just to let the kitchen know that it's a rush item. And then you hit send. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.